And it goes a little something like.
Yes. Today we'll be everyone. Welcome back to STEM CS. Today we'll be unboxing our new robot kit, which is just launched on STEM Creative Solutions. Right now it comes in a nice durable bubble bag, which is great for putting in the post since it won't get damaged being shipped to you. So let's just open it up, open the seal, and get into it because I know that's what you're waiting for. A robot's pretty cool. Seal is quite easy to open. Just use some scissors. You could probably use your hand. It just might take a little longer. And you're in. Yeah, I kind of don't do the smoothest unboxing, but it works. Some parts you can use some scissors, slide under, but most of it you can just use your hand. Okay, once you get to it, here is the robot inside. Let me just pull it out. Smart robot in here. Let me get rid of the packaging. Here it comes in its nice robot box. It has an app. It can do lines tracking, obstacle avoidance, and it has an IR remote. This is the 3.0 version. First impressions, I really love the box. It's a really smooth box. Here, I just tuck these back in so I can flip it around. On the bottom, you should see some features. It's based on Arduino, so it's fully open source and all the code will be on the GitHub. You're able to assemble it from scratch, which is a really fun weekend project. And it comes with a lithium-ion battery, meaning it's rechargeable, so you don't have to be running to and from the store looking for batteries for this since it has a rechargeable battery. And it's a pretty good amperage. Input, here's just some voltage information. It should do 2 hours, but depending on your use, it might be more or less. It has the DC motors. It even has Bluetooth, which can be used for a lot of things. This is a really versatile piece of kit. Now, let's get into the kit. Without further ado, we get some amazing documentation all about the Smart Robot Kit. I'll put this off to the side. Now, the main part, it comes in little boxes. Be careful of these. These are what you're going to be using. First box comes with the charger. Or, no, my bad. I think it's a motor. Some extra motors. I'm going to keep these all in the main kit so I don't lose anything. But if I read the box to see what's in it, it comes with a cell box, a dead plate, a cable pack, a servo, fasten plate, a screw pack with 6 pieces, a screwdriver with 3 pieces, insulation, 1 piece, and an ultrasonic sensor module. So I'm gonna leave this in the side with the documentation. Right here we have a box labeled Smart Robot. It comes with the Arduino main part. Ooh, might have creased that, my bad. Comes with the Arduino Uno, some sensor modules, a Bluetooth module, an I/O expansion board, a line tracking module, and an ultrasonic sensor module. Let me put this off to the side. Gotta make sure they're in the same order so I don't get anything mixed up. And here, this bigger box, it comes with tires, a DC motor, 4 pieces, a remote control, 1 piece, a USB type B, and a USB cable, which is micro. So let me open this up so you can get a look at the parts. Trying to be delicate with this box since it is quite a nice looking box. And I don't feel like damaging it. Kind of hard to get open with one hand, but when you're using two, it's a little easier. So, comes with the cable, which you can use for programming the Arduino. Great thing about this robot is that it's fully open source, I've said. So you can write anything which you want. So it's all up to many ideas, your creativity. I will certainly post some cool projects I get up to, and will probably make a blog post about these. So, off to the side it goes. Last part in the box, concluding, I have a big acrylic chassis. Acrylic is a very versatile piece for prototyping and making things. It's strong enough so it is great for anything which you want durable, but also it's easier to make since it's an acrylic print. Here it is, the acrylic chassis for this. Acrylic also has a really nice style. I kind of prefer it to 3D printed parts since it's a lot softer. I'd certainly recommend trying out acrylic, making acrylic parts if you ever get a chance to. It is quite fun. So, just a little tight there in the box, gotta make sure it's secure. Here are the acrylic parts. Oh, let me flip them reversed. Acrylic, it's really a softer material. Great for any type of chassis. So, that will conclude what's inside the box for my smart robot kit. You can get it at stemcs.ca. I'll put a direct link in the description. I would certainly recommend this kit for anyone who's into robotics, since it's a great starter robotics kit and you learn so much through assembling it. Hello, now we've got the finished Arduino robot car assembled. It's looking pretty great and I'm just powering it on. All the lights are red, which is good in this case since it means everything is receiving power. And now I just need to upload some code to the Arduino to see that everything is working. Countless hours of fun. It is so great, and just check the link in the description for my direct link to it, and you can purchase it there through my site. Without further ado, thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps out the channel and helps us grow and add new things and new content. I hope you enjoyed watching. This has been the unboxing of the STEM Robot Kit.